Reply to WhatsApp messages without typing a single word. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap on General. Then scroll down again and tap on Keyboard. Now scroll down and find the Enable Dictation option. Then turn on its toggle. A warning message will appear on your screen. Simply tap Enable Dictation. That's all you need to set it up. Next, open WhatsApp on your device. Go to any chat where you want to send a message. Tap on the message box to open the keyboard. You'll see a small microphone icon in the bottom right corner of the keyboard. Tap on it, and you'll notice that it becomes highlighted. Now start speaking. For example, I had some free time in the evening. Can you join? Your iPhone will turn your voice into text as you speak. When you're finished, tap the microphone icon again to stop dictation. Check your message, and then tap the send button. And that's it. Your message is sent without typing a single word.